Michael Collins, do you need to remain calm, though? Because the base case for some people out there is this escalates.
You know, I think there's less of a concern about this being a systemic issue, like a macroeconomic issue. But I think what we're seeing, and this has been one of our themes this year from a credit perspective, is the idiosyncratic risks, right? The issuer by issuer, company by company, industry by industry risks. And even this type of move, it may benefit certain industries, but it's certainly going to hurt others, right? And as an investor who's doing bottom-up research on stocks or bonds, I think that's going to be a theme throughout the next couple of years.
Steve Auth, shot of a trade war or no?
No, I don't think so. I was actually very encouraged by yesterday. You know, we started the day all focused on the core PCE number. That was the key number. And that came in right on target, 1.5%. We've been saying as long as inflation remains in control, that will help the Fed. The Treasuries rally. The fact that we're selling off on this noise tells me this is the uncertain longs finding an excuse to get down to the 200 day.
Assuming it's noise.
It's noise, Jonathan.
Why is it noise and not news?
Everyone knows. Look, this is like the guy in Casablanca coming in complaining about the gambling that's going on in the casino. Everyone has known that the Chinese are cheating on steel. I mean, if he had picked global semiconductors or oil, oh my goodness, what's he doing? But he had to do something.
If he was targeting the Chinese, but at the moment he seems to be targeting all of the allies more than the Chinese themselves.
I think we will see exactly who he's targeting. I suspect what's going to happen is the Commerce Secretary is going to have some power to control who gets these tariffs and who doesn't. This is a negotiating tool.
Well, we'll see what happens. Steve Auth is the only one that I know that's super long the equity market and comforted by a down day like we had yesterday. John MacKay, your view?
No, I would agree with Steve to some degree on this. The president cited national security reasons as a reason for the tariffs. And to Steve's point, it's not China isn't our biggest exporter of steel or importing. We don't import the most from China. It's from Germany. It's from Canada. It's from allies. It's from Japan, South Korea. So I think there will be exemptions placed. It will be toned down over time. And I'd be very surprised if this turned into a major trade war that affected the market.